So here's the 2x6, I believe, is the size of this rug. Super soft. It is washable, so if you know somebody comes in with shoes, steps on it, whatever it may be, you can throw it in the washing machine and dry it out, and it'll be good. It does have this anti-slip texture at the bottom that grips onto the floor, prevents it from slipping. So I like that about it. But yeah, give it a couple hours and it will fatten out. I just opened the package and I just wanted to show you guys. Another thing I did want to mention is that they do have different sizes, so if you guys are looking to get bigger ones for your hallway or whatever it may be, you can always look at their different variety in sizes. So yeah, check it out.